Today I'm going to mill some new wood I got. I finally found some walnut, and it's so hard to find around here for free. I got 4 big pieces of this. It measures 19.5, 14 tall on that side. This side's a bit shorter, under 12. Gonna mill it. I drew some lines already. Then I'm gonna toss it into the old dry box. Start getting it dried out for future projects. So I'm looking forward to chopping this thing up with my chainsaw. As you can see, it's cutting through pretty good. First piece just cut. Looks pretty good. There we go. That's not going too bad at all. Could just bandsaw the rest of this. I'll have to see how I feel. There we go. Like, got this all cut up. Now I'm going to clean it up. Clean up the mess I made. And go to the next step. Now I'm just going to start cutting this with my bandsaw. And then I'm going to place it in my dry box when it's all finished up. Alright, now we're looking into the dry box, and I'm just going to load it up with this wood that I've all cut up. Here it is down here. There's a couple pieces there, all these small pieces, and this one fell over. I'm just going to take these and load them in. This is pretty heavy wet wood. Okay, there's that. Decent space between them. I'm going to be running the dehumidifier in here. Over here instead. There. Maybe I'll put this here on top. There's that. I want to keep lots of airflow. I might have a fan set up on the back here, so I might just actually run the fan in there at some point. Pretty wet wood. There we go. This is that whole log. It's all chopped up, ready to dry. I'm going to use my dehumidifier here. Let's get turned on. I do have a light bulb, it's 60-watt light bulb, but I'm not going to turn that on until this wood's much more acclimated. I think if I turn the light bulb on, it'll crack the wood faster, so I'm just going to run the dehumidifier just like this. I have a little meter right here, tells us the moisture content. It's 63 degrees Fahrenheit, and the moisture level right now is saying 70, but this is going to be a real wet. I'll just close this. I'm going to close this for 5 minutes and we'll see how much the moisture meter goes up. Here's my moisture meter. Now we're going to check the moisture of this wood. First I'll just quickly check. This is a piece of wood I pulled out of my dry box. This is a piece of maple. Let's just check its moisture content. It's at 8%. Pretty nice. That's nice and dry. And this one, 8%, 10%. 8% again. Like this wood's all ready to go for whatever project I want to do with it. It's only been in the dry box for a couple months. It dries really fast. So now let's take this moisture meter and we're going to check out this. So you can see the moisture content's already going up to 77. It's been about 5 minutes. So the moisture level in this, let's just check a piece of wood in here. 55, 56. That's how it looks now though. It looks pretty good. Really happy with my new blade on my bandsaw. It cut this wood nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna let this sit and dry now. It was 24 hours later, almost, and that's what the water supply already looks like. Alright, here's a dry box now. I have the light on in here now just to try to dry the air a little bit in here. The dehumidifier is sucking the water out of this wood right now. It's all moving along pretty slowly, but looking pretty good.